Hello, my little yogis. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a yoga playtime. Let's move, stretch, and feel amazing together. Ready? Let's go. Sit with one leg straight and the other bent in. Reach one arm over your head and stretch to the side. Wonderful! This twist helps your body feel long and open. Perfect. Feel the calm and joy within you. Sit up nice and straight, legs crossed, like a peaceful flower. Rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Lie on your tummy and bend one knee like a bow. Hold your foot and gently lift your chest. Awesome! Feel the strength and focus of the bow. Lie on your belly like a little bow. Bend your knees, grab your feet, and gently lift your chest. Awesome! You're strong and flexible, just like a powerful bow. Make an upside-down V with your body. Press your hands into the floor and stretch your legs like a happy dog. Great job. Down dog helps us feel strong and brave. Start on your hands and knees. Then walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips up over your knees and let your forehead rest on the ground. Amazing! This pose stretches your back and shoulders and helps you feel calm and relaxed. Lie down. Bend your knees and let them fall gently to one side while arms open wide. Awesome. Let your back relax. Stand with your legs wide apart. Then, bend forward and place your hands on the mat between your feet. Let your head hang down and relax your body toward the ground. Wonderful. This pose stretches your legs and back and helps you feel calm and relaxed. Slide your legs gently forward and back like a very flexible monkey. Breathe calmly. Awesome. You're improving your flexibility and your patience. Lie on your tummy. Place your forearms on the mat and lift your chest gently. Wonderful. Relax the back. Sphinx pose is gentle and helps us. Lie on your back. Bend your knees and lift your hips like a little bridge. Well done. With bridge pose, you become calmer and more focused. Stand tall on one foot. Lift your other leg behind you. Stretch your arms out to the sides like airplane wings. Great job. You will have better balance and strong legs. Stand tall and wrap one leg around the other. Bring your arms together like eagle wings. Bend your knees gently. Awesome. Eagle pose helps your balance and focus. Stand on one leg, place your foot on the other leg and bring your hands together like a tree. Well done. You balance like a tall tree. Bend forwards and let your head hang down like a sleepy elephant. You will feel more relaxed. Great job today, little yogis. You moved and breathed so well. If you had fun, remember to like and subscribe so you can join our next yoga adventure. Bye-bye, yoga friends.